Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Sanjilu Kumar. Today I am going to show you in this video a brand new app withdrawal in PayPal. Okay friends, before going to the video, click on the subscribe button and also click on the bell icon. Then you can see a notification as soon as we upload a video. Okay, now let's go to the video. This app name is Master Jackpot. First, we need to open the app. It should be remember before that. If you join this app by clicking the link in the description, you will get $0.03 for free. We are asked to select the language. Choose your preferred language. I choose English. Next, you will be asked to accept their terms and conditions and privacy policies. Click here for that. Now log into this app with your Google account. Okay, now you select your country and enter it here. Click play button. Click before. Give permission to this app on your phone. Now you have got 10 free spins. You can collect coins by using them. Okay, as you can see, I used my 10 spins and collect 2675 coins. Okay, now you can spin this again using the desired amount of coins you have to collect. There is another way for you to collect coins. Let's see it now. There are different types of offers here. You can complete an offer of your choice and get their relevant amount of coins. You can collect coin by doing small things like completing different types of tasks, completing servers like in Facebook page, subscribe to YouTube channels, and installing app. Next, in add friends. Other way to earn coins in this app is to invite friends. If someone joins this app through your link, you will get 20% of the coins he earns, and he gets $0.03. In addition, you can send gift cards to your friends and earn these coins. Next, withdraw. You can withdraw the coins you earn through payeer, Gcash, Coinbase and PayPal, and many other methods. You must have at least $1.04 to withdraw to your PayPal account. Okay, so that's all there is to say about this app. If you like the video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel. And with the hope of seeing you in other video, I say goodbye for today. Have a nice day all of them.